Hi YouTubers, it's your Avon lady. Link back there kind of laughing. So it's kind of a box opening of this that Avon's been doing. That if you spend $40, you pay $10 for this, and normally it's like, $28 or more value in this. So I got two of them. So I got this in it the last time, and I'm gonna be selling this on eBay. And I got two little sample kits and something else I don't even remember. So I think this is more of a makeup box. So there's on the inside, it tells you what you get. I don't know if you can see all that or not. So technically I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Okay, one of them is a lipstick. No idea what color it is. I don't even remember. Do you want some lipstick, Wayne?
I'm okay.
Oh, okay. So, Wayne started a new channel. And I'll probably post a link at the bottom. It's more like a nerdy crafting, relaxing channel. Or hobbyist.
The nerdy hobbyist.
So his first video up is actually an ASMR. So I'll put that video in a link along with my Avon store. Oh, freaking plastics want to be a butt. I want to know what color the lipstick is. Cherry something. Another. Don't like leaving plastic. There you go, got it off. And I've got a trash can thing out of here. Ooh, that looks pretty. Smells good. Looks like that. I love Avon lipsticks because they don't stink. So of course got a eyeliner and it's black. So I'm not gonna open that. And they got a multi-performance cream, which we can use, can't we? Rip open the box.
Is that from is that the one that you got from me and you?
No, the one I got from me and you, it's on the bed.
Oh, okay.
This is a different one. And it's it's more like a nut cream. It'll focus. Got another cream in here.
Creamy.
Yeah, something to put on every night. I might put this on before bed. awesome thing about Avon is that they got creams for everything or every age.
About everything.
Yeah, kinda everything. Beauty wise, at least.
Yep.
I think this is the day cream. I cannot remember how much these would run. I know the creams from Avon are expensive anyway. But in the long run, they're normally worth it. Seems like a lot of people that do or use them have positive feedback. And this is what I got in my box the last time that I need to start using. I think this is more like a sample. So that should be about $30, $40 worth. Of course, they have little tissue to make it look pretty and tight, and voila. Of course, the boxes are nice. So that's kind of my box opening for now. And if you like box openings, maybe I can do a ASMR one down the road. Sorry I didn't really show my face, it's more focusing on this. So I hope you have a good night, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, YouTubers.